Can you actually buy an instant camera for just 30 euro? The answer is yes, you can. Hey, hello everyone on my channel. Today I have for you a review for the instant camera. It's quite good. And okay, we can begin. Okay, this is what it looks like. You can it's very cheap. This rolls, the paper. It's very cheap, and you can change it when it's done. And that's it. It's recording full HD videos and full HD photos. It's taking. Here you have an SD card slot, and it is charging by USB-C. And okay, so let's test it out. Sound. Okay, you have games here, like and you can use it like MP3 player for the music. You have here Snake game, Labyrinth, some books, I don't know what it is, Tetris, and the classic games, what you probably know. No? Okay, you can just here we have the photos and videos. Here you can here is the settings. Here is the camera for photos, and here is the video recorder. Okay, camera. You can just take a photo. I show you. I just take a photo. Okay, the photo I just printed. You can it looks like this. It's very good, I think, for just 30 euros. It's the thermal printing, like the bills in the shops or something like that. And the quality of the photo is good for the that it is for the text primary. And I think it's good. Comment me down below what do you think about it. Okay, and what this camera have also is you can pair it with your phone by this app. It's Thumbprint, and in that app you can write the text and then print it, or print some images from your mobile phone, or some Sudoku or something like that. Anything. Yes, anything you can print. Almost anything. Yes, you can print video or something like that. And that's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, yay, and see you in next video. Bye. And one thing I just want to tell you, please look on my other videos. Okay, bye.